Alright, so I just finished crying, but let's just jump into it, shall we? I realized that watching long videos, like I went on YouTube and I saw a 15-hour Python tutorial. In this day and age, no one wants to do that. We want to just click on maximum 3 minutes, 10 minutes, and we are done with the video we're watching. So I'm going to be your Python guide tutor in less than 5 minutes. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to teach you the whole of Python in 5 minutes. I'm saying we're going to pick a topic we're working on, cover it within 5 minutes, both the project and whatnot, and move on to the next one. And it's just going to help you grasp it faster. This is just an intro, so this may be long. Before you can start working with any program, you must have the software set up on your system. So that's what we're going to do today. But first of all, isn't my desktop amazing? So if you guys go, I have a video already posted on my TikTok where I customized like my own COD desktop, whatever. I redid a new one. This one is purple theme. It's not themed to anything particular. And let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you something. Look at this. Look at my Windows Explorer. Look at my beautiful icons. These are how my minimizing tab and everything. And look at what happens when you minimize it. Can you see the edges? But let's set up our Python on our system. So the first things first is you have to download Python. So look at the link. Sadly, this is not YouTube, so I can't link the link below, but I'll upload it to YouTube and you can see the link there. There is the link python.org and you see the download tab there. Click on it, download it. Don't forget to add to path when you're installing it, even though you have to go and do that shit manually, and nobody likes that. Secondly, you need to download a text editor or an IDE. Depending on your preference, most of the time, depending on the project I'm working on, I use Visual Studio Code because I've fallen in love with Visual Studio Code. But Visual Studio Code is more of a text editor when it's shit. I don't fucking know. PyCharm though it's an IDE that is an integrated development environment. It's kind of like your whole programming toolbox in one. It's like your that toolbox kit that your father uses to fix his car, but for Python. PyCharm is it. So you can head over to this site and download it. They are the same people who made Android Studio, which is for Java and Kotlin. And then there is Visual Studio Code, which you can use for every fucking thing. So download it and we'll come back to the next video to jump into the first aspect of our coding, which is going to be shit, what do you call this stuff again? Oh my god, I forgot it. What do you call this stuff?